In this video tutorial, I'll quickly walk you through on how to close a stock app, all right, or program on your Windows 11 laptop. Maybe the app refused to close, you click on the close icon, nowhere. Let's just get right into it. Okay, let's say this app is the problem that I was trying to close it and clicking on this and clicking on this, but it got stuck. All right, so that's the problem here. So how do I force it to close to shut down? First is take your cursor to this Windows logo key, which you can call start button as well. All right, so once your cursor is here, right click. All right, clicking on this start button, you will see some options. All right, select this task manager. Okay, so click on it. This will open showing you some apps that are actively working on your PC. Okay, so now look at this Microsoft Copilot, which I want to use for this as example here. So locate the app that is stuck on your PC that doesn't want to close and click on it. Okay. So once you click on it, it will be selected. Just like I have clicked on this once and it got selected. All right. Which is Microsoft Copilot. Now you will see this button here, End Task. Click on that End Task. Okay, then the app will be shut down by force. As you can see, it's no longer open here, it has been closed. Okay, so I can close this task manager page. All right, I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Watch this video here to learn more on Windows 11 task completion. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.